Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the emotional development of the child. Very important. We have again divided this developmental activities as age wise: 0 to 1 year, 1 to 2 years, 2 to 3 years, and 3 years and above. So with the just born babies to within the age of 1 year, the emotions are expressed in various ways, probably through smiles, cry, cooing, or different sounds what the child gives out as the language is yet to be developed. So when the child gives different kinds of emotions through various expressions or through smile or cry, naming the a child's emotion is one, and the other one is acknowledging the emotions. Usually when there is a cry, immediately parents attend, and when there is a smile, probably having a joy along with the child is a way of acknowledging the feeling of the child. When we acknowledge the feeling of the child, the self-esteem of the child is really addressed and soothing effect is given to the child. So what are the different, apart from naming the different emotions of if the child is angry, sad, or if the child is happy, joyful, so we have named along with the naming of the emotions different activities which we can do so that the soothing emotional feel of the child is enhanced. So the one of the activity we suggest for the parents is singing to the child. So lullabies when you're making the child to sleep. Otherwise also a nice music will help the child to keep the mood of the child in a good way. So singing to the child, narrating the story to the child. So the language is still not developed, but with the expression when the parent is narrating a story to the child, it makes a lot of joyful moment bonding which happens between the parent and the child. So this can be done along with the singing and story narration part. Whatever activity you are doing with the child, probably you're changing the nappy of the child, changing the dress of the child, or giving oil massage, or giving a bath to the child. Whatever activity you're doing, continuously talking to the child what the whole process what you're doing with the child will also give that bonding and helps in the language development as well. So these are some of the things which you can, and at the same time emotionally, if the parent is also showing different types of emotions also, so naming of it and telling the child, and at the same time showing the different people's picture and showing their emotions. These are the activities probably doesn't make much sense to the child when the child is small, but as the child progresses and picks up the language, these are the activities which helps for the child to know different types of the emotions, name it and acknowledging it. So hope these activities you will do with your child and have a very nice bonding starting from the beginning with your child.